Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing sort of like a chatty get ready with me, and today we're going to be featuring my younger sister, Amber.
Hi guys.
Yeah. It's her first time appearing like as a sit down type of thing in my channel. She usually like appears as a family gathering and stuff, but as a sit down, it's her first time. So I'm gonna be putting on makeup. I will have everything listed below, so I don't want to be constantly just pointing out and showing you guys unless I just happen to want to do that, but I will have everything listed below. Okay, so I do have a clean face on, and I did already moisturize as well. So I'm gonna put on my primer. Of course, you guys know the primer that I have been enjoying is the one that I got from AOA, and it's this primer right here. So far, this primer, it just sinks into my skin, and I like it.
I practically already have my face on.
Of course, I'm gonna go in with the AOA foundation. This has just been my go-to foundation lately. I haven't found my right perfect foundation. It's just, I don't know, something about my skin is just
I'm just going in with some eyeshadow with my finger. You heard her.
As you can see. Yeah, natural beige. It looks like if it's like perfect to my skin, but sometimes it just looks off. So I'm gonna see how this looks. And of course I do one drop at a time. I'm gonna be using my AOA brush and the F7 brush. If you can hear my puppy, I'm sorry. It's because I had to lock him out of my room. We have a baby puppy here.
I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah, you can. Now, first I kind of stamp, and then I kind of like just buff it out. I don't like full coverage, and I feel like this just gives my skin like the perfect amount of coverage that I need, at least for my redness. One right there, a tiny one right here. I especially don't like to put a lot because how I'm gonna wear a mask anyway. That's it. I can say it.
I'm looking at you.
You got this mirror, but there's a big mirror in there.
That's so true.
Okay, so now that I am done with my foundation, see the coverage? It's so pretty. Most days it doesn't look like this. I think it all obviously depends on my skin. So sometimes I guess I'm having bad skin days and it just looks pretty rough on my skin. So today I'm having a pretty good skin day, so it looks nice. And it looks kind of like semi-satin, like it looks kind of like satin finish, which is what I love. It's like my perfect combination of having.
Wow, this actually like makes my lashes go longer since I recently had like put lashes on, the fake lashes. I got extensions, yeah. And well, when they came off, they kind of took my real ones off, and they made like my natural lashes a little weak, and some like fell off. So it's been hard for me to actually, when I do mascara, like for them to actually blend out. I don't know, you can really tell now. You can tell the difference a little bit.
Do you have mascara? Lashes?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my Brow Wow pencil from AOA Colors, of course, my Huge. Okay, so those are my brows. They're not even related today, but we'll make do.
Mine are never related.
Mine are sometimes closely related. Never identical, but closely related.
Yeah, never identical.
It's because one of my brows is shorter than the other. This one's shorter than the other.
I feel like one of mine's bulkier than the other. But maybe later in another video, we'll be able to do my brows. And you guys can see the way she'll do it. Her style, her way.
Everybody has their own unique way. When I started doing them, I didn't do them like this. When I started doing my brows.
Okay. You used to do them a little thinner, wouldn't you? No, thicker.
No, thinner.
No, Lori was thicker.
Yeah.
You were thinner.
Yeah, I used to do them thinner and I used to do them rounder right here.
Yeah.
But that changed. Okay, so to set these brows, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. This is the volumizer I was telling you guys comparison to this Milk Makeup one. I don't know why, I still prefer this one. This one by itself, I have yet to try it, but...
Here, I'll try that one.
No, I've tried it. It's just... And I like it. It's just, I feel like it's better on its own rather than this one. I feel like it's awesome. Like,
I've never used this.
so I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay palette. Urban Decay UltraViolet. It's one of the newest palettes, if not maybe the latest palette. My husband gifted me this for Mother's Day. It was a late gift though, so I did get it late, but this is the palette. So freaking pretty. And even the front is so pretty. Like, it's like melted colors. I don't know. It's very pretty.
Like a galaxy type thing, right?
Yeah. And I have to say that one of my favorite shades, just by looking at it and by swatching it, is this one right here. It's the VR. It's so freaking pretty. So pretty. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this palette to create my look today, my eye look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Mind Slip right here. It's like a very peachy shade.
And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Pearl Scent Pink Blush.
For listen, yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to put my primer on. I'm going with my primer first. Totally forgot. I'm gonna be using the Elizabeth Mott eyeshadow primer. Thank me later. I got this in the BoxyCharm, and so far I've been really enjoying it. Actually, makes my shadows last a little bit longer, but it doesn't make them like melt in the center of my crease either, which a lot of my shadows tend to do. So I'm actually pretty happy about that. The only thing is it doesn't really cover up my darkness. Like, my eyes naturally have like this shadow, as you can see on them, and it doesn't cover that up. But I mean, as for the shadow lasting, it does last a long time. And it's pretty,
Ooh, you can see my highlight.
it's pretty awesome.
I know.
I'm gonna build on this pigment as well. A little bit, I don't want it way out there either. So, you wanna tell them the news? Huh?
What news?
That you have another puppy?
Oh, they know about my first puppy?
No.
Oh, it's such a sad story to tell. You say that story and then I'll bring up the good story. Well, long story short, I have a new baby. Alaya. Her name's Alaya.
Long story short.
Alaya. Full Chihuahua. Say hi.
Stitch's future wife. They already locked eyes, imprinted on each other and everything. We saw it happen.
Is it true, Alaya?
Does anybody have a problem like when you own a pet and they shed, like their fur just kind of flies and then like it just starts getting stuck on your face? So irritating. That doesn't happen to you?
Nope.
Not yet. Not yet. Oh wait, you have a Chihuahua. It's not gonna happen to her either. But like my
Even
puppy,
when I had
my puppy is real fuzzy though.
But when I had Violet,
That never happened to you? That happens to me.
not even with another dog that I had.
Where the hell did your
Shed
hand?
out a lot all over the place.
That would happen to me a lot. Okay, I don't know what next shade to go into. I'm kind of feeling,
They smell good. Let me see.
I mean, I don't know if I should do one that would just match my outfit and then that's it, make it a day.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing real bold either, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna go with Dazed right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Dazed.
Under her lips.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Days. I'm just gonna use just a flat brush, number 5 from BH Cosmetics.
This is it.
Because I use that for I used to use it for highlighter, but now I don't.
No wonder I have a lot of glitter on my hands now. Not touching that anymore. This was your first brush. Just check this all off. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not liking the way it's coming out with the thing. Let me just use my finger.
Let me see.
No, it always acts differently with the, oh yeah, there you go.
They put with the brush, you're probably like a multiple coats in order for it to.
No, it just acts differently when you use your finger and then when you use a brush.
Some people say that a finger is more easier to apply makeup.
Yeah, because it's warm and it heats up the product. That's why. See?
But the eyemer's already done.
She basically had everything done by the time she got here.
Besides her lips. I didn't know I was gonna film.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take this shade Trippin' right here for my inner corner highlights. Yeah, she jumped out.
Yeah, she jumped out. I saw her. She always put back in.
I just saw something go. I honestly didn't know what it was. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting on my mascara. This palette is awesome. Blends well, no skipping. Awesome palette, very awesome. I'm going to be putting on my mascara, which will be the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. Today's my daughter's birthday. My oldest daughter's was 2 weeks ago, as you guys saw. Then now it's my middle baby.
Shout out! Woo woo!
And of course, you guys will also see her. First, you guys have already seen her day, because I'm gonna post that up first. Mascara's on. My bronzer. Sorry, she had most of her face done. I'm actually making pretty good time to top it off. She had most of her face done. It's not my fault. I'm gonna be going in with the Aesthetica bronzer, Sunset bronzer. I'm gonna be using a BH Cosmetic number 2 brush. It's an angled brush, and I like it because it's literally perfect for my face shape. I mean, this color is so perfect.
Are you like darker color than me?
What do you mean? I'm tanned right now, that's why.
Oh yeah.
My tan still hasn't gone away. I'm still very tanned. I'm actually pretty white though. Probably lighter than you.
Right
Like
now?
my natural body.
Oh.
Well, maybe I am the same color as you.
No, we are because we use the same foundation, don't we?
Yeah, but even like that, it's like, you know what? Yeah, we do use the same foundation, but I prefer a yellow undertone. And the one I have is neutral. And that I kind of don't
I
like
just
it.
use it basically just to cover like my red spots.
I only use foundation too. I don't do full coverage. Didn't you see? I do light coverage. I don't like full coverage. I like to look natural, but just to hide my reds like cheeks. Yeah. Not red cheeks, but they're pink, and I don't like it.
Or in case you see me like turn red. I'm turning so tomato red. I stay in the neutral colors.
Yeah. Okay, and then for my brush, I'm gonna be using, of course, the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink. This is just the kind of tones I go for summer. You know, colors like this, coral colors. And it does have like a type of shimmer to it, which I kind of don't mind as well for the summer. It doesn't show up a crap ton on my cheeks, like the shimmering, but
I kind of just see like a little bit of shine.
And of course, I'm also using my BH Cosmetics angled brush. I'm gonna go in with the AOA. It's pretty messed up and damaged because the lid, it came broken. And then I put it in my purse. Ridiculous me, I put it in my makeup bag and it just, stuff started poking at it, and this is what I got left with. So I'm just gonna use my finger because it's kind of like a moussey texture. So I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna be using this for my cheeks. You see that nice color? I'm gonna use it for my cheeks, high bone, like a high point of my cheeks here. And a little bit over my brow, which is kind of where I like the area. Right now I will blend that out with a brush, just setting it there. Now this does make me look like if my cheeks are kind of like wet, which I do like because it kind of like sinks within the skin. It doesn't leave no cast, which I like as well. Tiny bit of my nose, like just in the very tip. Of course, my Cupid's bow. I'm thinking about also using this for my inner corner highlight, just a tad. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Blend it out. Just to blend this out a little bit. I don't want it to be way out there, but a nice pigment. And then I'll also go in with my blush brush just so it can all mesh well together. Kind of look like if it's coming from within. Now I'm thinking I need a little bit more of a, with my eyelids, just a little bit more pick me up. And I think I'm gonna go in with Euphoric. This shade right here is more like a glitter than anything. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that. There you go.
Now you can see it. Perfect.
Okay, so I'm going to be using, of course, my favorite lip pencil. It's the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. This is literally one of my favorite pencils.
I'm just gonna go in with the Diamond Lip Gloss.
Bye.
Bye.
Anyway.
AOA Studio.
This one.
Ooh, I'm pretty. I'm just doing faces.
Okay, so should I leave it like this then or what?
Let me see. Yes, I like it like that. Looks nice.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it at least somewhat interesting. If you guys would like to see my sister again, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, I am Lil J, and again, this is my little sister Amber. And yeah, God bless you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or your evening. Bye.